Hi, welcome to MECHOLOGY. In this video, we are going to create this exercise number 43. First of all, we will create these two things by the extruded boss, and after we will join this one. After we will join this two by this one. So let's create on SolidWorks. Select new, select part, and apply OK. Now select the front plane and go to Sketch. Here select this polygon with the 8 sides and draw polygons. Here select smart dimensions and this one is a 400. Apply OK. Now select this line and make horizontal. Now go to feature, select extruded boss. Here select 500 and this one is 4 degrees. Here select also 500 and this is also 4 degrees. Apply OK. Now select the right plane and go to sketch. Now again select this polygon and draw one polygon like that. Okay, select smart dimension. The distance between these two is 500 and the diameter of this circle is 400, and make this line horizontal and select this center and select this origin and make vertical. Now go to features and select extruded boss. Here select blind and apply draft, same in reaction 2. Apply OK. Now select the right plane again. Okay, not right plane, select the top plane. Okay, select top plane and now select the again polygon and draw one, right? And diameter of this circle is now 380, and select this line and make horizontal. Now go to features and select extruded boss and reverse it and apply OK. Now select the fillet, select this one and now select this one, select this one and with select this one, select this one and with select this one, select this one and with select this one, and it is I think 40 mm, right? So here 40 mm. Apply OK. Now select the fillet, select this one and with select this one, and it is 20 mm. So apply 20 mm. Now again select fillet, select this one and select this line, select this line and select this line, and it is 10 mm. Apply OK. It is 10 mm. Now again select the fillet and select this one and select this one, select this one and with select this one. Okay, we have made mistake, so clear the selection first and select this one first. Apply OK. Now select this one, select this one. Now it is 80, right? 80. Apply OK. Now our exercise is completed. We just apply to appearance to it. Select this one, select fillet and here go to appearance, go select body and apply this one. And now this is our isometric view. Please share, subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.